I had a little kid not too long ago who was really kind of unraveling on the table, screaming, throwing things, having a really difficult time pulling it together. And instead of asking questions like, are you okay? What do you need? I'm going to count to 5. You don't want to lose Fun Friday, whatever it is that we usually do. What came out was, I need a drink. I need a hug. I need some time alone. I need my squishy animal. And one of those actually short-circuited her behavior, and she went, I need a snack. And she jumped off the table, sat down, and got a little thing of goldfish, because goldfish cure everything. And she's eating and then all of a sudden it stopped. And what we learned by that, and we've been using this technique more and more lately when kids unravel, is that they may have learned the words and they may have learned what they should do, but they can't grab them in that moment. So by simply not asking them a question and giving them the statement like, I need a snack, I need a hug, I need some space, I need my squishy, we become the prefrontal cortex of their brain, and we give them the words and it triggers what they need. So just a little anecdotal thing there that has been working lately for kids who just can't seem to figure out what to do in the moment.